Oh, okay, so you guys.
It's flood everywhere.
So this is the house. Let's go inside.
Let's go on the wearing these socks. Wow.
It's okay. Oh. Okay. Baby, it's okay. I just hold the camera.
You sure?
Yeah.
Right, so.
I think this is very spacious.
It's really spacious.
Wow.
It has a cause.
So this is the kitchen. It's actually my first time being here. But, and this is utility.
I really think that.
Oh, storage. This is where you fit in your washing machine, dishwasher. No, I don't know.
Yeah, washing machine and washer.
Oh, washing machine, washer is quite spacious. And fridge, freezer. I love this. This looks very new and modern. And the patio door. The garden is big.
The garden is big.
Yeah. Don't open. Okay. Olivia, we are showing ourselves. Maybe have you been there before?
I've not been. I've not gone inside.
Olivia, please show us around. What's
Yeah.
this one? Okay.
Olivia, let's Olivia. Yeah. Do her job. Yeah.
You just know it so well. You've been
I'm just so
downstairs
excited.
toilet. They've done half-height tiling in there, so they've upgraded from the standard tiling.
Yeah, that's good.
It's really nice.
It's nice. Downstairs
Yeah.
toilet.
Yeah. Should we go to the
Yeah, we go through the kitchen.
yeah kitchen? Yeah, let's go to the kitchen. Let's Olivia.
Okay, Olivia,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah.
So the kitchen then, they've got the upgraded kitchen. So you've got soft clothes, you've got the microwave integrated, which is the extra. You've got the upgraded oven and the induction hob.
We have integrated. Yeah.
And then you've got your hot plate top as well, upgraded extractor, so you've got all of your appliances. The only
Okay.
thing that we haven't got in here is the dishwasher. There is space in this unit.
Oh, for
If you wanted to
for
do
dishwasher, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just leave it out, you know. So, but we can't upgrade now because it's gone past
You
that.
don't have to do anything through us if you don't have to.
Yeah,
If you
yeah,
wanted to,
yeah, that's fine. And in here,
Through here, we've got the utility. And we've got space for a washing machine and a tumble dryer in
tumble
here.
dry, yeah.
And again, both appliances haven't been done. The past customer was bringing a room.
Mommy,
We've got the
just
space
having
and coming to
stop.
bring those appliances in this room.
Okay,
And again, quartz worktop in there as well.
okay.
When I think so, leave him to
Okay.
remove it. He's just being a boy.
Yeah, we've got, yeah. So,
The lounge.
it's big.
Big size, yeah.
Yeah.
Good
It's big size, yeah.
Very
Two
good
sets
size.
of windows. Yeah, really big room.
Wow. This is nice.
So we have not that one, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you can see.
yeah. We don't want to say it on camera yet.